Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. There's only so many ways you can make that sound interesting, and I've depleted them all. So I was a bit surprised that this arrived this quickly, because I knew I was getting some happy mail from across the pond, and here it is. And it's here already. I can't believe it. I know I got a little message the other day saying that it was in this country from my very kind sender. But, whoa, hang on. I didn't imagine that it would arrive to my house this quickly. Just bear with me a second. I think I heard the door. Sorry about that. It was a neighbour. So, yeah, this is from Diane. Well, thank you so much. And Jessie. Diane and Jessie. And it's got get ready, power heroes. That's obviously Jessie's input on the box there. It was with his sticker. Bless his little heart. Anyway, so I'm going to get in. I've got my knife. Try not to do anything drastic. So this is also Happy Mail and one of my giveaway days. So at the end of the video, I will kind of do a little giveaway for today. Okay, so I think I'm in enough to just open this up. I'm trying not to show you any addresses, but that's why I taped that bit, because it had an address on it. But I've got a feeling it's on two parts, and also I didn't want to show you her address. Oh heavens, hang on. There we go. Do it away from me, and we're in. Excited. Right. Excuse me. Right, we're into the box. Oh. So I have some of the Karen Ogo. This is in a different packaging to the one that I got. The one I got was a big framey kind of package. I'm just going to get into the bag, because it's just a bag. Just a bag. Just a bag. Wow, this blue. Everybody knows my favourite colour is blue. But this is the Karen one, the Colorama Halo. And it's got that fuzzy vibe. The one I had was Red Heart. And I have it on good authority that this is the better one. It's lovely and soft, it really is. It's gorgeous. So, thank you so much. I really love it. I'm going to have a good time with this. Hang on, where is the neck light? Whoopsie, don't want to drop it. Just bear with me a sec while I find it. It's here in this room. I'm back. It was over there. It was right in the corner. I didn't see it when I looked. And the trouble is, when my hair's wet, and so it's in a ponytail, but when my hair's in a ponytail, I have really getting excited. I have trouble keeping it on. It just wants to fall back, so hopefully it will be fine. So yeah, exciting times. Let's have a look. Wow, it is so squishy. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. It's really gorgeous colours. So it is a bulky 5. Well, the other one was Super Saver, so that was that a 4 weight, I want to say, the one that I bought. But this is a bulky 5. Oh, it's amazing. 71% acrylic, 18% nylon and 11% polyester. It's 8 ounces, which is 227 grams. And Karen Colorama Ogo. Where's the colour? It's called Skylight Frost. Isn't it just beautiful? Really, really beautiful. I love this. Thank you. I cannot wait to get stuck into that. So I'll put those two there, because there are 2 of those and you've seen those. Oh. Okay, so we'll stick to yarn for now, but this one, this is called Bejeweled Sequin. Wow, that is a bit me, I have to say. Look at all those colours coming off those sequins. Isn't that beautiful? Obviously you can put that with yarn. Wow, that's lovely. I do have some glitter like this that I got from King Cole in a when I asked them to send me some samples, but it wasn't like that. It didn't have these sequins attached, and it's not mega rough either. That's cool. I like that. Well, let's have a look at the band. So this is called Yarn Bee Bejeweled Sequin Silver. I've got a few Yarn Bees that people have sent me in the past. I really like these, like Yarn Bee. It's a good make. Shame I can't get it over here. This is 40% metallic polyester, 30% sequin polyester, and 30% polyester. Quite polyester really, isn't it? But I suppose I have to separate it out there. So 328 yards or 300 meters, 25-gram ball. But I love that. That is very me. It really is. I am a bit of a sparkly person. I do like a bit of sparkle. Okay, what else have we got? Oh, as I said, I liked Yarn Bee. There's some more. This is Sugar Wheel Cotton Solids. Sugar Wheel. Very, very squishy for cotton. Beautiful, beautiful, soft. 100% cotton. It is, it says use 4mm hook. It's a 3-weight. I found the little thingy that says it. So this is 142 grams or 335 yards or 306 meters. And the colour is called Cascade. Isn't it gorgeous? Seriously though, for cotton, it is so soft. And I've got a feeling that there are 2 of those in there. They might not be the same colour. Looking at that, don't know. Let's have a look. What have we got? Let's have a look. See what I mean? It keeps trying to escape. It keeps trying to escape from me. The colour of this? Turquoise. That one's turquoise. Again, exactly the same kind of info and really, really mega soft. What can I make with these? Wow. And we've got some sparkly yarn. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And what is this? Oh, what is this? I can't figure out the yarn band, guys. It just says it is. Oh, there's a telephone number on it. What is this? Sparkle acrylic yarn. Oh, Mainstays. That's what it's called. It's a 4-weight sew and Aran. And there are 251.53 yards. How precise is that? Which is 230 meters, or 141.75 grams, or a 5-ounce ball. Did we have a colour? Teal. Just says teal. So there we are. Isn't that gorgeous? This thing keeps trying to escape. It is beautiful. It's lovely and soft, not scratchy with the glitz, which sometimes you can have yarn that's a bit scratchy when it's glitzy. And there is another glitzy. I'm going to knock my camera over in a minute in all my excitement. So we've got some Red Heart Super Saver in metallic. So this has got a glitz, so I could use that alongside the teal one. I was going to say blue, but it's teal. Sorry, this neckline. I think I've overused it in the past and it's just really seen better days. So again, a 4-weight. And we are somewhere on here. This is called White. It's called White. And it is a 5-ounce, so 142 grams, 255 yards, or 233 meters. But they will go really, really well together, won't they? Beaut. Absolutely lovely. And I like it when the glitz is nice and subtle and not in your face. That's just perfect. Thank you very much. Either can use them together or not. So we've got lots of cards and stuff. I'm finding it hard to get in them. I found more. Hang on. So I have a llama. that's been coloured in specially for me. What's this say on the back? New image group. And this is to Tracy from Jessie. Isn't it gorgeous? I do love llamas or alpacas. I don't know if it's a llama or an alpaca, but I love both. So there is a way of telling them apart for aficionados who know. But thank you. Mwah. Thank you, Jessie. I'm going to put him over there for now. And there's something else in here. Look at this. I have some slippers. Oh, isn't that cute? Got Grogu slippers. Look. Aren't they lovely? Oh my goodness. They are really, really soft, and they've got the non-slip backs on. Isn't that fabulous? Thank you very much, and they'll fit me. They really will. Oh, they're so cute. I really love them. Look at that. I shall have fun with them. I just thought the other day that my slippers looked a little on the manky side. So now, and I did get some, what are they called? Toasties for Christmas. So I've got several cards. Now, one of these, I've been warned, is a Christmas card. And I've got a picture. Thank you very much, Jessie. Bless him. Oh, so sweet. Oh, Diane, you're lovely. You really are. So let's get into the cards and see what we have. The only way to know is to get in. This is my Christmas card. 'Tis the season. So we'll just wind back and pretend it's Christmas. And it was, I hope you have a wonderful holiday from Diane Greer and Jessie. Jessie is my youngest fan. I guess he and maybe if any of my grandchildren watch me occasionally. I know Harley does sometimes, goes, Nanny. And this one, I love this. I love you. Isn't that cute? So this one, Happy Valentine's Day. Thankful my love reaches further than my arms. Because it's got little arms. Happy Valentine's Day, love, Jessie. He purchased the card but couldn't write his name yet. Isn't that gorgeous? Thank you so much. And this one, we have a little wish just to say on its cat on the front. Happy birthday. So I've got all cards, Christmas card, Valentine's card, and a birthday card. And this one is from Diane, Jessie, Joe, Danny, and what's that say? Christina. It's because it's all squiggly writing. I was having a bit of trouble, but isn't that beautiful? I really have been spoiled. Thank you so, so much. I've got cards and pictures, and not to forget llamas and Grogu. Oh, I love Grogu. And beautiful yarn. I honestly have been really spoilt. Thank you so much. So you didn't have to do all that, no. But I really do appreciate it. And I know how much it costs to send these boxes as well. So thank you. Mwah. And thank you, Jessie. Oh, isn't that lovely? I'm all kind of blown away. So yeah, the giveaway a day is for this humongous great Tunisian crochet hook. Now I was thinking of stocking these in the shop, so I did get this to have a look at. I think this is double-ended. It's double-ended. What does it say? Not a lot. Trends double 6.5, and it's a 30 centimetre long. So what are you going to do then? Tell me what was your favourite from my box of goodies. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Diane. I really do appreciate it. And to you, Jessie. Thank you so much. Mwah. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know what your favourite thing out of the whole box is, and this will be the prize. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. I might, incidentally, I might do a live stream later with the blanket if I have the time. So watch out for that, and I'll see you later.